Let's be real. Artificial intelligence has pretty much turned our world upside down, and it happened fast. But once you get past all the headlines and the hype, there's a really important question, right? How do you actually turn all this incredible tech into a real-world opportunity? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down today. You ever feel like that? I mean, it can totally feel that way. Every single day, there's some new tool, some new breakthrough. It's like this giant wave of technology, and it's easy to feel like you're just standing on the beach getting left behind. And look, this isn't just some minor software update we're talking about. This is a fundamental shift. It's changing how we live, how we work, how we build businesses from the ground up. It's huge. And anytime you have a change that big, you're going to feel a little bit of that overload, a bit of that uncertainty. And that, let's be honest, is the biggest roadblock for most of us. There's this idea that AI is this exclusive club, a super complex world of code and algorithms that's only for developers and data scientists. Like you need a PhD just to knock on the door. Well, that's the exact idea we're here to bust wide open today. Because the game has totally changed. That whole notion that you need to be some kind of tech wizard to use AI, yeah, that's quickly becoming a myth. So what's making this all possible? It's this absolute explosion of new, really user-friendly AI tools. Seriously, these things are not built for programmers. They're built for people like you and me, for creators, for entrepreneurs, for anyone with an idea. They're designed to completely tear down those old barriers. And this right here, this is the absolute heart of it. The key takeaway is that so many of these new tools require, and I'm quoting here, no technical knowledge to use effectively. Just let that sink in for a second. The incredible power of AI is finally in everybody's hands. So, okay, the doors have been kicked open. What's actually on the other side? What can you really do with all this? Well, you should stop thinking of these as just software. Think of them more like a whole new set of superpowers for your creativity and your business. And the stuff you can do is just incredible. We're talking about content creation, writing articles, emails, social media posts in just seconds, or visual design, creating a logo or amazing artwork just by describing it. You can generate videos from scratch, build chatbots that talk to your customers, or just automate all those boring, repetitive tasks that suck up your day. It's a whole new toolkit. Okay, but here's where we got to get real for a minute. Just because you have a fancy hammer doesn't mean you can build a house, right? Simply having these amazing tools, that's not the finish line. The real secret sauce is knowing what you're going to build with them. And that's the most important point of all. Success isn't really found in the tool itself. It's all in how you use it. You could give the same AI VO tool to 10 different people, but only the one with a smart plan is going to turn it into something that actually succeeds. That brings us to this idea of an actionable strategy. And that's not just some corporate buzzword, okay? It's about having a clear, concrete plan. It's looking at an AI tool, figuring out the cool, unique thing it does, and then connecting that directly to solving a problem that people would actually pay you to fix. That's it. That's the bridge from having cool tech to making a profit. So as we start to pull this all together, the focus really shifts. It moves away from the technology itself, and it lands right back on you, on your ideas, and on your drive to make something happen. This is the new reality. This is it. For the first time ever, these unbelievably powerful AI tools are available to pretty much everyone. All those old barriers, the technical skills, the money you needed, they've been knocked down. And that means there's this whole world of opportunity just sitting there, waiting for someone to grab it. So we'll leave you with this one big question. The toolkit is literally in your hands. The gatekeepers are gone. It's not a question of if you can be part of this AI revolution anymore. The only question left is, what are you going to build?